So Brooke and I have got training this morning for majorettes, haven't we, darling?
Yeah.
So we're just going to do your hair. How would you like your hair for training this morning, sweetheart?
Front plait.
Okay, we can do that. Fabulous. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is brush all of the knots out of your hair, aren't we?
Yeah.
So the first thing that we're going to do once all of the knots are out is start by brushing the hair into two. So Brooklyn has a middle part in, so personally we're going to go down the middle, but you just follow wherever your parting is. So it's really important that you take the time to get the parting straight, as in this hairstyle your parting will show. So once you've got a straight parting right from the top all the way down to the bottom, you want to put one side into a hairband. This is really important because it keeps all the hair out of the way, and while you're plaiting, it stops rogue bits from the other side peeking into what you're doing. So her parting looks nice and straight now, so I'm going to go ahead and tie up this side, and then we'll be all ready to start with our first French plait. I'm going to go ahead and grab the hairbrush now and just give the hair another quick brush just to make sure it's nice and smooth. And then we're going to collect the hair at the top and get ready to start our plait. So now you need to pick up a small bit of hair from the top. I personally like to make sure that it's nice and straight from all the way across because I think it personally looks better. And then you're going to split the hair into 3 pieces and just start by doing a normal crossover plait. I like to do about 3 crosses before I start picking up bits of hair. So now you're going to go ahead and scoop up your first piece of hair and you're going to put that into the closest plait. And then you're going to do the same on the other side, making sure it's nice and smooth, and pull it across into the middle. So every time that you plait, you're taking a bit of extra hair from the outside and adding it into the closest side of your braid that you've got, pulling that into the middle. As you're pulling in each bit of hair from the outside, it's important to get it smooth before you cross it over into the middle, because once you've gone past that piece, you can't smooth it down without going the whole way back and reversing your plait. So we just continue with the same technique, taking bits in from the outside, smoothing them down, and then pulling them into the middle until we reach the bottom of the hair. Once you've mastered this really basic French plait, it opens your world up to so many different hairstyles that you can do on yourself or for your children. Now that we're reaching the bottom of the hair, it's important that we plait all the way down to the base of the hair before you pull in the bottom parts. This avoids the saggy bits pulling in from the bottom that you often see in people's plaits. Sometimes you need to plait down normally a few times without taking in extra bits before you get to the bottom bit, and then just finish your plait by with a normal crossover all the way to the bottom, and then add a hairband. Thanks for watching.